I was right out of college. Basically, my first job was here, out of college, doing engineering. My name is Anthony Serratore. My title is production manager, and I've been here 34 years. I'm involved in every part of the operations, focusing on safety first, then quality, and to make sure that the colors, they're not washed out. You have that pop that you need. The Landmark Pros are heavier than the regular Landmark. Our granule plant actually produces all of our granules that we use on the shingles. They mine the quarry, they bring the rocks here to Norway. We crush it down to the size that goes onto the granules, and then we color them. All of our colors are a blend. They're not just one color, they're a blend of multiple colors. I put them on my roof when I did the addition back in 2013. They're really holding up well. I mean, it's been 11 years now, and they look like they're brand new. I think the people play an important role in that it makes it a place that you want to go to work to. They have a good attitude, you know, they know that they are respected, they know that they're empowered. You have to have that environment to really make a good product, and it's more than just a job. It's more than just a shingle.